In this video, I explain a business idea based on electronics gadgets. Electronics gadgets, in my views, they are the least used, least exploited item in the industry. You mostly see electronics items in the form of mobile phones, and if I were to look around, I don't see many of them being used for commercial applications where some purpose is solved. Now, one gadget that I'll talk today is based on an electronics module which allows a user, a customer, or your buyer to see the current electricity, the instantaneous electricity being consumed in his household. The consumer can see the current, the power drawn in a graphical format. So this is the basic idea that I am talking today. So let me take you through the whole concept and also through a schematic circuit diagram also. As you can see, this is a household. This is a picture generated actually on the basis of some AI I used to generate this image. But it is showing, it's much larger than it should actually be. But it actually shows a graphical display that shows instantaneous current as 10 amperes and active power, and a graphical variation of the power in his household. And it is based on a module called Raspberry Pico and a display. These are the two simple things that have been joined together, and it's not much cost, but it will interest some set of users. Basically, anything that gives you more information. For example, people wear watches to see their blood pressure, to see how many steps they have walked. Basically, they need information. So if we can give another piece of information to them, then we do have a potential business idea. So here is the whole point that you can see. So this is the concept that I'll explain. Now this wire is coming from the pole outside, from the from the pole, and there is a meter, and from the meter a live wire comes. This carries live current. This wire passes through this current module. There is a hole in it, and through which it passes. Now, where is this current module? You can just find it on the internet. 50 ampere current sensor. This is available. This is available. These are examples I am showing. You can buy any. They have a hole in them. So these holes, they will get that wire. The current that is passing through the wire in amperes, there is a proportional amount of current that is outputted by this device in milliamperes or microamperes, whatever the specifications say. So here are the connections where the output is available. This is connected to the analog to digital converter on Raspberry Pico W or any equivalent microphone. Actually, this is where the connections actually go. So when it is done, you can always take care. The digital output that comes into the Raspberry Pico is sent in HTTP. So the digital output of the ADC will be sent in HTTP request or in HTTP post, whatever, to an HTTP server running on the second Pico. On the second Pico W. So this Pico W, it has an HTTP. It has an HTTP server which is running on it. It is all technically possible. It's not a big deal. And to the Pico W is connected a display. So this is the display where everything is appearing. Circuit is very simple. You can find this display, AMOLED display for Pico W. A lot of options are there, as you can see. So there are many vendors that supply this. So this is the whole thing that you can see. It's quite easy to assemble also, and this is a very simple business idea that you can use. So if anybody is able to put this idea into a practical application, the input cost is not much, but the idea does have an attractive value for the end customer. So this is the idea that I was presenting. I'll close it right now. Thank you.